Um, the most significant I could think of is I met my wife, who was my girlfriend since first year college, not high school, first year college. So she's my ex-girlfriend and now my present wife. And ito na yung experience. I'm in batch 86, so EDSA Revolution batch. We were the first to be introduced thesis, which we didn't do because na-cut short nung EDSA Revolution. Significant. Hindi, participants lang kami no, kasi martial law babies kami supposedly. When martial law was declared, grade 2 kami. So medyo, shall we say, hindi naman passive pero pagdating ng college, medyo naging active na. Yun, napasama na sa mga rallies. Hindi uprising, participant sa mga rallies. Yun. Ganun. Mas kita mo agitated and shall we say involved yung mga students and faculty. More on parang silang dalawa walang pinagkaiba, faculty at students. Nagsasama para mag-attend ng mga rallies against Marcos. And nung nanalo nga, nung napatalsik na si Marcos, ganun pa rin. Hindi naman party nangyari, pero parang may common bond yung mga lahat ng alumni, faculty, and students. Sama-sama sa mga post-celebrations.